So today we'll be covering different types of clefs and trying to read music or what notes and how they appear on a different clef. So we'll start off with probably the treble clef. It's probably one of the most common clefs and probably the one that most guitarists see often. So don't exactly know how to draw it, but it looks something like that. A real easy way to remember the 5 different lines on a treble clef is this thing called every good boy deserves fun. And for the spaces in between, we use what's called face. So basically, you write out face, and there you go. We'll start off with C, middle C, right here. That then heads over to D, to E, to F, to G, to A, to B, to C, to D, and so on, and it keeps going over to E, to F, and basically whenever you get above or below these 5 lines, you kind of just sort of imagine that there's more lines. F is here, so let's continue this on. F would be there, G would be over that line, and so A would have a line through it if there was another line. So we draw it with that line, and then that next B would be over it. The next C would have a line through it and a line under it, and it just keeps going on that way. So next we'll be covering the bass clef, which kind of looks like a sad face over here. Kind of looks like this. Let me draw this in real quick. 2 dots. Right? The easy way to remember the bass clef is good boys. Good boys deserve fun always. And in between the spaces you would write all cars eat gas. And it basically works the same way that the treble clef does, you know? This would be your G, this would be your A, and then so on and so on. B, C, D, and once you get over here and above, you have A here. B would be over that. Then you'd have C here, and actually this C, I believe, is where your treble clef starts. But that's the basic idea of a bass clef. Sort of the same, except your notes are in different places. Each place is a different note. And if you play piano by any chance, which some people do, you often see the master staff, which is a combination of both the treble and the bass clef.